The weather today became really nice here in Vesterålen, Norway. The temperature rise to approx 2 degrees plus, so I thought it was a perfect day to do some lubrication with my grease gun, because you can be outside without wearing gloves and you don't freeze so much. I'm gonna show you where you have those grease points, and also I'm gonna show you something I think was really stupid. It was, I think, a very stupid place to put a grease point, and I also try to show you one way you can reach this place with your grease gun. So let's see. Inside the cabin there is a place where they want you to put grease. I'm not sure I can show it even with the camera, but I'll try to find it. It's here. If you look at your own tractor, behind here where you have the gear lever, and I don't think I can show it, but inside here there is one spot. It's just a very stupid place, because you can either take away this cover here, but that requires some screws, has to be removed. But I was able to put my grease gun inside here. I lay down on the floor in the cabin, and from here I'm able to see the grease fitting. Put your gear lever in reverse. That makes it easier for you to reach the grease fitting with your grease gun. Stick your grease gun in here and hold it with one hand. Use your other hand and put it in under the cover here by the clutch. And now you should be able to reach the grease fitting with the grease gun. I'm gonna show you the rest of the places where to put grease. You have on both doors the hinges. You can see there you have one. I'm not sure if there is one on the upper hinge, but I will check that up. So maybe you know from your own tractor if there is grease points on the upper hinge. You can post it in the comment if you know. Thanks. And then you have here and here on both sides, of course. And if you have a front loader, you have here 4 points and 3 there, 1 there, and 3 here on the back on both sides. And you have under here, there, and you have here, let's see, this one I actually have to change on my, it was broken. And under, let's see if you can find it, there you have one. And also there are under the tractor And they were also a little difficult to reach. We have one here, and those. That one was easy. This one was difficult. At least with the grease gun I have. I think that was about it. Yeah. And I also did on the PTO here, and also one behind there. And also, if you have a snowblower yourself, there are usually some points. Let's see, it's on the other side. Can we see it? Yeah, there, you can see it. There. And one here on the back. There. I also have this one and this one. Now what they have told me about the snowblowers is that don't push too much grease on those grease points. They don't recommend it. Okay. So, as I said, beautiful day here in Hannes in Vesterålen. It's very nice to have the sun here again. And it's starting to warm a little bit. So, have a nice day everybody, and see you.